Yung pagpili ng course sa college is one of the most important decisions that we can make in our life. Pero what if hindi ka pa sure kung ano nga bang course yung kukunin mo? Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome to another episode of the College Courses Explained series. For today's episode, we will talk about Bachelor of Science in Management Accounting or BSMA. This is another course na medyo similar sa Bachelor of Science in Accountancy kasi it is also an accounting-related course. Their biggest difference is that BSA is more focused on public accounting, auditing, and becoming a certified public accountant, while si BSMA naman is more centered sa business strategy, budgeting, financial analysis, and decision-making inside companies. Ang focus niya is paano ba ginagamit ang accounting information to plan operation and for decision-making. In this course, students will learn how companies analyze costs, how they manage budgets, how they strategize, and how to make business decisions. So aside sa pag-intindi ng accounting process and financial reports, students will also learn how businesses uses this financial data to solve problems and improve company performance. Now, ano-ano ba yung mga subjects na kukunin mo if you're a BSMA student? So, in this course, meron pa rin ng mga accounting subjects like financial accounting, management accounting, taxation, cost accounting, business laws, pero meron na ding analysis and decision-making related subjects like business analytics, performance management, budgeting, strategic cost management, and other management-related subjects. If you graduate BSMA, you cannot take the CPA licensure examination. But there are international certifications that you can take such as CMA or CIA, which stands for Certified Internal Auditor. Okay, now let's talk about career opportunities. Kapag graduate ka ng BSMA, pwede kang mag-work as a management accountant, a financial analyst, a budget analyst, cost accountant, finance officer. So you can work on private companies, pwede ka rin mag-work sa banks and financial institutions, multinational companies, corporate finance departments, or international companies. So kung mapapansin nyo, medyo similar din yung mga jobs ng BSA graduates sa mga jobs na pwedeng makuha ng BSMA graduates. Pero kasi si BSMA is more focused on business management and decision-making roles. Now, when it comes to salary ranges naman, it will always depend on the company, your skills, and your experience. But fresh graduates usually start around 20,000 to 30,000 a month. And then kapag mga mid-level positions na, you can range from 40,000 to 70,000. And if specialized finance and analyst roles, pwede kang mag-go beyond 100,000 per month, especially kapag may experience ka na or international company yung pinapasukan mo. Now, sino ba yung bagay sa BSMA? This course might be a good fit for you if you are interested in both accounting and business, mahilig kang mag-analyze ng numbers and reports, you're detail-oriented and you're analytical, you're interested in budgeting, finance, and decision-making, and gusto mo ng career na related to finance, business, or corporate management. This is actually a course that you might consider if gusto mo ng accounting course but you do not plan on taking the CPA board exam. So that is BS Management Accounting explained in simple terms. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what course you want me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you follow me for more episodes of College Courses Explained.